In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a restaurant food ordering website in Wix, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll have a professional-looking food ordering website where customers can browse your menu and place orders online. This is perfect for restaurants, cafes, cloud kitchens, or anyone starting a food business in 2026. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Wix and website tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Wix.com. If you already have a Wix account, go ahead and log in using your email or Google account. If you're new to Wix, you can create a free account in just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, click on My Sites. This is where all your existing websites are listed. If you don't have any sites yet, that's totally fine. Next, click on Create New Site. Wix will now ask you how you want to create your website. For this tutorial, we're going to use a ready-made template, which makes the whole process much faster and easier. So click on Start from a Template. Now you'll see the Wix template library. At the top, you'll find a search bar. Click on it and type Food Order. Wix will now show you templates specifically designed for restaurants and online food ordering. Take a moment to scroll through the templates and preview a few of them. Look for a design that matches your restaurant's style, whether it's modern, minimal, or traditional. Once you find a template you like, click on it and then click Edit. Wix will now load the editor. This may take a little time, so just wait for it to fully load. Once the editor opens, you can start customizing your website. Click on any text to change your restaurant name, description, and menu details. You can replace images with photos of your own food by clicking on them and uploading your images. Make sure to update the menu section carefully, adding item names, prices, and descriptions so customers know exactly what they're ordering. You can also customize buttons, colors, and fonts to match your brand. Spend some time adjusting the layout so everything looks clean and easy to navigate. Wix automatically includes food ordering features in these templates, so customers can add items to their cart and place orders online. When you're happy with how your website looks, click on Preview to see how it will appear to visitors. If everything looks good, click Publish. Wix will now ask you to choose a domain. You can use a free Wix subdomain or connect a custom domain if you have one. And that's it. You've successfully created a restaurant food ordering website in Wix. Your customers can now visit your site, browse their menu, and place orders online. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.